Welcome to another video by Team Adcom. In this particular video, we will be discussing about the IUPAC nomenclature of ethers. How can you nomenclature, or how can we name the ethers? What is ether? Ethers are basically the organic compounds with on the either side of the oxygen. We will be having either an alkyl group or an aryl group. So this is the examples. So how we will be naming it? Here you can see that on the either side of the oxygen, on one side we have a alkyl group with a 2 carbon. Here we are having an alkyl group with a 1 carbon. So the base name what we will be using for ethers is called oxy. In order to name the compound, in order to name the organic compound, or in order to name the ether, first we need to identify the smaller alkyl group. Here the smaller alkyl group is the methyl. So this particular methyl group should be given along with the oxy name. So we'll be naming it as methoxy. Then go for the other side. We have two carbons. So since we are having two carbon, it will be ethane. So we have represented this particular molecule with one carbon, that is methoxy. Then we have on the other side, we have a 2 carbon that will be called as ethane. So this will be named as methoxyethane. So this is called methoxy. This part is called methoxy and this is ethane. So it is called methoxyethane. Now here you can see 2 carbon each on the either side. So you can select any one. So if you select this one, this can be called as ethoxy. On the other side, we have a 2 carbon. This can be called as ethane. So this can be named as ethoxyethane. The thing is that oxy name has to be given to the alkyl group with a lesser number of carbon atoms. So we will take some complex examples like this. So here you can see that here you have a 3 carbon atoms. In this side, here you can have 5 carbon. But if you are taking like a linear chain, you have 4 carbon. Now, this particular group is with a 3 carbon. So this is nothing but propyl chain. So this can be called as propoxy. So here we have a hydrocarbon chain with a 5 carbon. We are trying to find out the longest chain. We need to number from one side. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4. But we know that the branching has to get the lowest number. If you are numbering like this 1, 2, 3, 4, now number will come 3. So we cannot accept it. We have a lowest number 2. So we are selecting this particular branching. In the second carbon, we have a branching called a methyl group. In the second carbon, we have a branching called a methyl group. In the second carbon, we have a propoxy group. So the methyl group is attached in the second carbon, and the second carbon we have propoxy group. So we have methyl as well as propoxy. When you are taking the alphabetical order, M comes before P. So this can be named as 2-methyl. In the second carbon, we have propoxy group, 2-propoxy. In the main chain, we have 4 carbon butane. Done. Similarly, if you take here, the one side we have 2 carbon. So that is ether, other mean ethoxy. Here we have 4 carbon. We need to number it 1, 2, 3, 4. In the second carbon, we have a methyl group. The second carbon we have methyl group, and this is ethoxy. If you are taking ethoxy and if you take methyl, E comes first. So what we need to number it 2-ethoxy, 2-methyl. Ethoxy is coming in the first carbon, so it should not be 2-ethoxy. It should be 1-ethoxy, correct? Because ethoxy group is coming in the first carbon, so 1-ethoxy, 2-methyl. The biggest chain we have 4 carbon butane. So this is the way in which you can now name what ethers. So I will give you an example: CH3, CH, CH3, CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3. Identify the name of this particular organic compound and please put it as a comment. If you need any clarification, do let us know in the comment section. As a token of gratitude, please like to this particular video, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel. Keep watching, keep learning. Thanks for watching. Bye.